Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off data saver in TikTok. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official TikTok application itself. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you can do is open up the App Store on your mobile phone, search for TikTok and download the application itself. Once you have downloaded it and open it up, you can go ahead and log into your account. So once you're logged in, you're going to go and be greeted by this main page. This is the home page from where we can get started. This is our feed where we can get started browsing videos. We can go ahead and open up our profile and everything we need. And now let's go and take a look how to turn off data saver. First, we're going to go and be opening up our profile option right here in the bottom right corner. And in the profile option, we're going to click the settings option in the upper right corner. So by clicking the settings option, this is now going to enable us to open up settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy and this is going to take us to this new page. In this new page, we can now go ahead and find all the settings that we have for our TikTok application. So if you scroll down a bit under content and display, we're going to find this option right here that says playback, and under that we have cache and cellular. So here is where we can find the data saver. So we have the data saver option right here that once you open it up, as you can see, now we can go ahead and turn on or disable data saver depending if you want to use it or not, as you can see. So you can turn it off if you want it, and if you don't want to use it anymore, then you can just turn it off back again, and that's how you can go ahead and get it or disable it depending what you want. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching today's video. I hope we'll see you next one, and bye.